Hello everybody, this is EB the YouTube Poop Master here, and welcome to channel update number 12. Yep, this is channel update number 12 telling you guys what's happening to the channel. So as you guys can tell that I have gotten lots of big updates for you guys, and I'm going to tell you guys what's going to be happening to the channel. So let's talk about Mario's, not Mario, SpongeBob SquarePants Roblox. I was about to say Mario's house. Yes, Mario's house will be the first thing I'll be mentioning. Guys, I know this may sound sad, but I don't feel like making Mario's House episode 2. I just don't. I've been focusing on SpongeBob SquarePants the Roblox series for the past few days now, and I haven't came up with anything Mario related in a while because I was too busy focusing on SpongeBob SquarePants the Roblox series. So Mario's House will no longer be in the making. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just focusing on SpongeBob SquarePants the Roblox series because the episodes that I'm making so far are hilarious, and I think that they will be good for viewing pleasure. So, yeah, I will upload Mario related things on my channel sometime this summer, but right now I am too busy working on SpongeBob SquarePants the Roblox series because the series is about to turn 1 year old on Saturday. Yes, this Saturday, SpongeBob SquarePants the Roblox series will be officially turned 1 year old because the series started in June 11th. Even though a SpongeBob reunion, reunion anniversary, whatever you want to call it. Yes, if you guys didn't know, that today I've uploaded the final part of my Casio CTK 2110 demonstration songs video. So yeah, I uploaded that. And I told you guys after the video that I will upload The Revenge of Mario and Luigi tomorrow. Yes, the video will be uploaded. And I already told you that today I actually made a SpongeBob reunion. The episode is 15 minutes and 12 seconds long. So that video will be posted on Friday because that's the day when I'm gonna upload it around 9 o'clock, around the morning hours, not really early in the morning like 1 or 2 a.m. I'm not gonna upload at that time. I'm gonna wait like around 9 or 8 o'clock in the morning to upload the episode. So yeah, that's that first update. Another update is that next week I'll be making episode 17 of SpongeBob SquarePants Roblox series, Stressless Squidward and Clone Sponge. I already told you the plots already. Let me tell you guys again so you guys might forget. So in Stressless Squidward, Squidward has his rage levels has reached the highest point, and his whole he explodes. He's very angry. He starts flipping things over because SpongeBob Patrick keeps annoying him a lot. So he's trying to calm himself down, but his stress levels just made him rage. So he needs to have a word with his doctor to ask him how can he lower his stress levels a little bit without his friends being annoying. And it turns out to be like so he gives Squidward like a little clicker, and if anything that makes him stressful, he just clicks on this clicker. And then anything that happens to the people who stress him out might get electrocuted. Yeah, they'll get electrocuted, and that'll make Squidward unstressed. That'll actually make him laugh. Yeah, because that's killing stress. So yeah, that's that episode. And Clone a Sponge. That's the next episode. SpongeBob's friends are busy to play with SpongeBob, so he makes a clone machine, and then he has a clone friend. Yeah, I already told you those ideas from my more 2016 SpongeBob SquarePants Roblox series video. So yeah, that's all I have for right now. Casio CTK 2110 demonstration songs. That's a wrap. I uploaded all 110 demonstration songs videos. There were 10. I did 10 songs per video. Yeah, I did 10 songs per video, and it was a huge success. Oh yeah, by the way, later on in the week, I might do a Casio CTK 2000 keyboard review either this week or next week. Find out about that. Yes, I'll do a review on my Casio CTK 2000 keyboard. Mario related. I will do more video game reviews. I will talk about Mario lately, even though he's a good video game character. But right now, I'm only focusing on SpongeBob the Roblox series. So yeah, those are all the news updates for the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. Oh yeah, another thing. Yesterday, McJuggerNuggets uploaded a video called Psycho Kid Flees Country, where yes, he's in Switzerland now. He's no longer in New Jersey. He's no longer in New Jersey. He actually left the United States of America and went to Switzerland. That's pretty cool, Jesse.Is family was there. Jeffrey was there. The mom was there. Uncle Larry was there. And surprisingly, Jesse got a hug from his dad. So that Psycho Kid kills father thing, a lot of people kept saying it's fake, and At this point, I don't care. I really don't care. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed channel update number 12. I'll see you guys later.